So let's break down a trade that I took this morning, and right now I'm live. So just before that, if you guys don't have the Falcon content, you guys message me on the Telegram, right? If you guys don't have the Falcon mechanics, 4 hour, all of these things, right? And the most important one is the hybrid trading, right? All you have to do is message me here, right? So that's it. So first thing first, weekly time frame. We got directed from this value point, and then we move to the downside, and also there is still a gap, right? So sell is the main point. I like to sell right now, right? And also we broke this point, right? So it's very good thing that we are looking for sales, and the way the market has been reacting is completely on our bias. But as we can see here, price, the market fails to create a sell opportunity for us, and then as we can see here in the 4 hour time frame, we are seeing a clear three touch for our continuation structure, impulse, correction, impulse. And it is not a normal structure because it is extremely clear. First touch, second touch, third touch, with a perfect middle section in it, as we can see here. Last leg, impulse, correction, impulse. There's the gap, there is the gap. Price takes out this break, gap, and still left a gap, and then fill up the gap. So this is the one of the most repeatable structure, like behavior of the market, which you will be taught in the Falcon mechanics, right? After that, in the 4 hour time frame, we go to 4 hour confirmation. It is the bread and butter trade, bro. So as we can see in the 1 hour time frame, we can't actually see the structure in the 1 hour, right? So you have to go to the 50-minute time frame. That's why you have to master those things, and you have to master the lower time frame, right? So those things will be taught in the hybrid trading or even in the AFT, but like more in the hybrid trading, where they just like dive in deep, right? So they explain a lots of lower time frame entry, like there are like fucking 4 types, I guess. Yeah, there are 4 types. So this is the fourth one, I guess. No, this is the third one. Impulse, correction, impulse. As we can see here, also the value point is right there. There is still a missed gap, and then what we need to wait for, fill up that gap, and then the confirmation candle must be for free right there. Took this trade right there, and right now I close it for about like 2% right there. That's it. Because as we can see in the 1 hour time frame, this thing has already broken above this point, right? So I have to close it. I have to be a bit more aggressive right now, or maybe even 1% close. I Let's see, but let's see, man. That's it, bro.